What are the types of internal tables?
First, standard internal table. These tables have a linear index and can be accessed using the index or the key. The response time is in linear relationship with number of table entries. These tables are useful when user wants to address individual table entries using the index. Second, shorted internal tables. These tables also have an index and the key, but the response time is in logarithmic relationship with number of tables entries. Since it uses binary search algorithm instead of linear search, these tables are useful when user wants to table to be shorted while additional entries have to be added. Third, hashed internal tables. These tables have no index but have the key. The response time is constant irrespective of number of the table entries. Since it uses a hash algorithm, these tables are useful when user wants to access the entries with key only.
How to eliminate duplicate entries in internal tables?
Delete adjacent duplicates.
How to print records from 5N1 to 10N2 from ITAB?
Loop at itab from n1 to n2, write itab and loop.
Explain clear, refresh and free.
Clear clears the contents of both work area and internal table and work are by default. Refresh can always refresh the content of internal table only and free also. Note, both clear and refresh can clear only the content of itab, whereas free also allocate the memory allocated.
What is the basic difference between internal table and database tables? How can we differentiate by looking at the tables, and how handling of internal tables?
The basic difference is database tables are stored in the DB server and the internal tables are virtual tables. These are created run time only.
What is collect statement?
Collection statement is used to summarize the records. If an entry with the same key already exists, the collect statement does not append a new line but adds the contents of the numeric fields in the work area to the contents of the numeric fields in the exiting entry.
What is tables keyword?
Tables KNA1 defines a work area field string with the same name KNA1 with all the fields from KNA1 in the same order.
What is the size of the internal tables?
Internal table have 2 gigabytes of memory space. In the initialized size is of 8 KB which can be extended further.
Difference between field groups and internal tables.
Field group holds work area single value and internal tables holds multiple values.
How to print the third record from the ITAB?
Sorry sir, I don't know the answer of this question.
Can we sort the sorted internal tables?
No.
How to transfer data from ITAB1 to ITAB2 whose structure is same?
Sorry sir, I don't know the answer of this question.
Explain occurs.
It is to declare only the standard internal tables before 4.0 version to allocate memory for the internal tables.
What is report and the purpose of reports in real time?
Report is displaying the application data in the required format. Technically speaking, a report is an executable program which three-stage function. Purpose: it helps to analyze the current situation and also for decision making to decide the right institute using the above report. Real time report scenarios: example, to stop the purchase from the specific vendors, the purchasing department need a report for vendor evaluation and terminate the employees from the organization. The HR department need one report with employee performance, etc.